In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw a proposed contract on Upwork. We'll start right from your browser, so the process is crystal clear. Open your preferred browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork and press Enter. Click the official Upwork result to open the site. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your messages and proposals. Once you're on Upwork, navigate to Messages from the main menu. This is where all your conversations with clients live, and it's the quickest way to reach the proposed contract you want to withdraw. In your inbox, open the conversation with the client who sent the proposed contract or offer. You should see a card or link inside the thread labeled View Proposed Contract. Click that to open the full proposal details. This page shows the project scope, rate, and start terms, which is helpful to double-check you're on the right offer before you proceed. On the proposal page, look for the Withdraw Proposal option and click it. This action tells Upwork that you're declining the proposed contract before it starts. Withdrawing is different from ending a contract that's already active. Here, you're simply removing yourself from the offer so it can't be accepted later by mistake. A confirmation window will pop up, giving you the option to include a brief message to your client. This message is completely optional, but it's a good professional touch. You could write something like, "I appreciate the offer, but due to a change in my schedule, I need to withdraw from the contract at this time." Keep it polite and short. It helps maintain the relationship in case you want to reconnect in the future. After adding a message, or skipping it if you prefer, click Withdraw to finalize. You'll see the status update to confirm the withdrawal, and the client will be notified through Upwork. This action is typically final, so be sure you're withdrawing from the correct proposed contract, especially if you have multiple offers in your inbox. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If what you really need is a change in rate or scope, consider discussing it in the message thread before withdrawing. If you can't find View Proposed Contract, scroll within the conversation to locate the offer card. And don't worry, the message thread remains open after you withdraw, so you can still communicate with the client if needed. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn a proposed contract on Upwork.